deal with you are your friend.
Yeah.
And then every kin teeth I laugh, my father. Look what them do me. I go up on YouTube right now, you see it. Them the dog they did my friend in a chippy.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dog. And them the experience, the right, my music them. You understand, my father?
Yeah.
And I realize say as a youth where you don't go through the same trauma, but you go through it similar.
Yeah.
You understand? You get it on a level, my father.
Great.
You understand?
Great.
But one thing me they go tell you say, yo, Chippy, enough time me I go show me little charm of them to you, bro. And you me go up and go get a decent laughing and see, you know, what people are really fuckery.
Yeah.
So you see same help where you give me with your joke and your community where you put out there. At the same strength me I give you back when me sing good music. Because you see event a year trauma me write that song there after.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because me and you go through the same trauma, my father.
Great.
So when me see it, me I say, bumbuckler. You see it, my father?
Great talk.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
worlddwaag, them can't stop you, Chippy. Chippy, them can't stop you. See me, them try to stop me and them couldn't stop me. Them can't stop you.
Great talk.
No time them can't stop you. No shot with them fire. No negative with them talk. Nothing.
Great talk.
Because you is a youth who step with God. You not step with man, you step with the Almighty, just like myself and my father.
Yeah.
You see this way you do, Chippy, and any youth can do this, you know. Because you see Silk, based off how people do me not friendly. But you see when you reach out to me just have to forward come show me energy because there is a G when I rate and I ever watch you sing them too.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, fam. Continue do you, Chippy, and make some boy go chuck off over one ditch, my dog.
I read that, man.
Yeah, my dog, man.
Yeah,
Tell
man.
some boy, move up.
Respect, man. My father, man. How are you, man?
Yeah, man.
Just go and kill them, same with my father. I'm telling this dog, just go and kill them. The song
Yeah, man,
motivate
Chippy, in
me,
a
dog.
studio with them and Chippy, man. See it there? Work
Yeah,
never
man.
stop, you know.
Yeah, dog, you motivate
Yeah,
me, dog.
man.
You hear that?
Work
Motivate
never
me,
stop,
bro.
my father, man. Just bless up yourself and enjoy the rest of your day, dog.
Respect me, G.
You're screw me, dog.
Mad.
I don't know nothing about Gram, I don't know nothing about TikTok neither. You left the life, Chippy.
Hold on.
Get to you, dwaagg. God is the greatest. I want to talk to you about a thing named purpose, see? See, as a man, you have to have purpose in life. That's what a man put on the earth to do. Sometimes the system can rob you of your purpose, you know. Because you don't get the opportunity where others would have get. So it kind of rob you of an opportunity to prove yourself. But with that being said, you have a saying of them say, the devil find work for idle hands. Why that saying holds true? Because ghetto youth, man need purpose. And if you don't find it in a positive way, you're going to drawn to it in a negative way. See? That's why them say the devil find work for idle hands. Because man have to work. Man have to work. Man have to find purpose. It does unfortunate, so enough youth find purpose as a gangster. But we all build to seek that. Some of the youth them focus. I'm telling you already. Combine with your love with what you're good at. Put in the work, the dedication. Believe in yourself, believe in a God. Trust me. It will actualize itself. Big up on yourself, God is the greatest.
Yeah, man, it's silkboss there. I give worlddwaag a fair warning about friend and foe and family. So I hope you remember this. I remember Joe. So guys, yeah, man, thanks for watching. I don't know anything going on, man. Jamaican are them best TV out here, we out here without fear. So people near from the world boss himself, Gaza nation, presenting for the youths of the future. I don't know. Turn over a new leaf and thing. Yeah, man, we happy for him, see him, more people. So you wanna remember all the supplement. Jamaican are them best TV with the best news and the best reviews. We out here without fear.